Space Race is a fast, fun card drafting game in which 2 to 4 players upgrade spaceships, collect sets and bid against one another. Beautifully designed, quick to learn, tactical, and addictive, Space Race is the card game that's out of this world. The game is played with 3 types of cards: parts you build your ship with, dangers you need to fight or flee from, and cards that damage your ship. First, each player chooses a cockpit and an engine to build their ship, which they will upgrade during the game. There are several ways to score points during the game. Don't get too greedy though. Remember to also collect fuel and crew, so you can avoid hazards and stay out of harm's way. For example, you can collect robot parts. You receive 2 VP for each robot part in your ship. Cards of the same type in your ship are stacked. You also receive an additional 3 VP for each complete robot that you assemble. Here, a player's ship is becoming increasingly powerful. Some cards only award points while others have benefits. A scanner, for example, lets you look at dangers ahead, giving you an advantage. Players may always choose to play a space card face down. They are then placed behind the ship's engine. This increases the speed of the ship, helping you escape from danger. This strategy can also stop valuable cards from getting into enemy hands. If your ship is damaged, a damage card is added to it. But don't worry. If you play your cards right, you can repair the damage. Players begin with 6 space cards, and each turn you keep 1 card and pass along the remaining hand. Alien drones and loot carriers are add-ons that award VP depending on what your opponents have chosen to collect. After all 3 rounds have been played, players' scores are calculated. Some cards are worth VP on their own and some cards award extra VP if the card condition is fulfilled. Players also receive negative VP for every damage card in their ship. Your basic training is now complete. What are you waiting for? Start your engines, and let the journey begin.